Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the throttle body or the throttle valve on Peugeot 307 and 307cc with a 2 liters petrol engine. The throttle body on this car is located on the front of the engine. You can just follow this air intake hose coming from the air filter, and it's going into the throttle body. That's the throttle body right there. In order to remove the throttle body, first we need to remove this air intake hose. There is 2 electrical connectors that we need to remove, one vacuum line over there, and then 3 Allen bolts. So first we start by removing the electrical connectors. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to loosen the clamps holding the air intake hose on both sides. If the air intake hose doesn't want to come out, we might use a pry bar to pry it out a little bit. Next we're going to remove this vacuum line. There is 2 taps on both sides of this connector that we need to press. This is the pliers that I'm going to use to press the 2 taps on both sides, and then just when the taps are pressed, we just pull out the hose. Next I'm going to remove the 3 bolts holding the throttle body. Now that the bolts are removed, I can remove the throttle body and replace it with a new one. That's the throttle body, that's what it looks like. And I'll show you the number on the throttle body. Next I'm going to remove this seal and replace the seal with a new one. And now I'm going to put on the new throttle body. We install the throttle body in the reverse order. And that's the throttle body replaced. Now we're going to tighten the clamps on the air intake hose, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.